Hey guys, it's Anna from the Temporary Homestead up in northern New Jersey. Today, we're getting some pigs. Our neighbor offered us 3 pigs. We were supposed to get them early January, as soon as they were weaned off of their mom. Things happened and we were not able to get them here on our homestead at around that time. Today we are in early March and it is finally the day to welcome pigs. So our neighbor is about to stop by, drop them off for us, and thankfully my dad is going to swing by to help me because we're going to have to rearrange some of the animals in our barn to make room for our piglets. Or are they still considered piglets? I don't know. They're about 3 months probably. So I still have to figure out what I want to feed them and all of that. Yorkshire pigs are the pink, cute little pigs that we're all familiar with. They are more often known or recognized as the commercial pig, as opposed to the heritage breeds or grass-fed breeds that are like the Kunis and Mangalista pigs. We're going to try and explore all of those options, but this year, it's our first year, we managed to get these, and this was a gift from my parents for Christmas. What is that? Good job, Amelia. All right, you guys, we just got all of our piglets set up. They were born in November. They are actually a cross between a Yorkshire pig as well as a Tamworth pig. And I imagine they're gonna get upwards of 500 pounds, 500 to 800 for the males. We got 2 females, 1 male. Definitely at this moment, these are meant for bacon. They are also all related, so we definitely did not want to breed them because they are siblings. So what we're going to do is we're gonna hang on to all 3 For right now, they're going to be in our barn, and in the future, they're all going to go into our silo. We're going to fence in the whole silo area. We're going to patch up the roof, and our hope is to create that as their little home. And eventually, what I would love to do is I would love to breed our own for our own consumption, so we don't have to continue purchasing pigs from anyone else. However, we just bought them some feed, and we're going to be getting scraps for them, so I know what they're going to be fed, and I'm so excited. Thanks so much for following along for today's adventures. Again, my name is Anna from Tamworth Homestead. You can find us on Instagram. Definitely subscribe to this video. There are going to be so many more videos in the near future. We're going to be trying new things, and I'm going to try journaling. I'm going to be showcasing all of those experiences so that you can see what it's all like. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'm always available on Instagram, or you can check out our website at tamworthhomestead.com.